Hello everyone, welcome to education lecture. In this video, I'll be teaching you the 12th lesson, that is the Otter, written by Chinua Achebe. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel to get further new updates. And as I told in my previous videos, they won't ask you any question regarding the author or the poet. It is same with this lesson also. I'll be telling you the summary of this lesson. So let's get started. In the village of Umuofia is a village. There lived a person, a popular man, Rufus Okiki, Ruf for short. So villagers did not explain about him in many words. Just they told he was an energetic young man. Unlike the other fellows nowadays, means like Ruf's age only. Ruf was young man, right? So many young men were there of his age, and after finishing their education, they went to towns for finding job to work there in towns. But Ruf did not go like that. Abandoned means left the village like that. He stayed in the village only. So village people also know that he is not a rude or an aggressive person. Loud meaning is rude or aggressive person. So he stayed there, and everyone knew he spent 2 years as a bicycle repairer's apprentice in Port Harcourt. Apprentice means learning some skill. So he stayed there only. So he living his living his bright future. The education what he had got in the village, so he would have got some job in the town, but he did not go to the town for seeking the job like other young men, but he wanted to stay in this village only and guide the people in the difficult times. But here the village people did not need such a guidance, a lot of guidance, because there was already a party named People's Alliance Party. Belonged en masse means all together they belonged to the People's Alliance Party. So there was a party who was taking care of the village people, and party means not like this one giving party and all. Like for example, I will say, need not write this in your exams. Means like we have right Congress and BJP. In each state there are different persons leading and taking care of the what are the rules and regulations to be followed, what are the rules should be given in this state, what are the problems to be solved. So like that there was also a party in Umuofia village. So they will ask you to expand PAP, means People's Alliance Party, or there is one more party in this chapter, POP, Progressive Organization Party. Think so. Yeah, they have given here. See, Progressive Organization Party. So do not get confused. See the question properly in your exams. So there was a party who was taking care of this village, and it was very famous. Famous means even the roof was. Yeah. There was a famous son, illustrious son, and his name was Chief the Honorable Marcus Ibe, was the Minister of Culture in the outgoing government. So don't get confused. In 2D there is Minister of Justice. Here Minister of Culture is Marcus Ibe. So he was the one who was taking care, and he is the head of the People's Alliance Party. So which was pretty certain to be the incoming one as well. So he was in the outgoing government. So there was an election coming near. Nobody doubted that the honorable minister would be elected in his constituency. Opposition to him was like a proverb. So in this chapter, few proverbs are coming. Those won't come in your exams. Just for a meaning, I will say, fly trying to move a dunghill. So here first I told, right, there is another party called POP. So those are like flies, referring as flies, and a dunghill is a PAP. So you know how the dunghill is very huge for the fly, right, to push. So they are fighting against a very powerful party, that is PAP, and those who are fighting against PAP is POP. They are very very weak. They are saying like that, the village people in Umuofia. This video may be a little long because the chapter is too big. Don't worry, I'll make it easy for you. So it would have been the ridiculous enough without coming as it did now from a complete non-entity, unimportant. So the people there are saying that the POP party, if it did not come against the fight against the POP, it was good. It is like an very unimportant. It is not very important. That party is not considered at all in their village. So as the village people as well, Roof was in the service of honorable minister for the coming elections. So Roof was the helper, like the assistant of Marcus Ibe. So he was working for Marcus Ibe, and he know all the election campaigning at all levels. Roof knew, okay. So at the village level, local government, national level, he knew everything. What are the mood and temper of the village people, electorate at any given time. So he knew that the villagers, how they will behave at which given time. So instant for a few days ago, Roof had warned the minister. See, few months ago he had warned the minister that there is a radical change, important or fundamental change that had come into the thinking of Umuofia people since the last national election. So in the villagers' mind, the village people who were living in Umuofia, in their mind some thinking had come. So he had warned to Marcus Ibe that this is the thinking. So the what is the thinking, that the villagers have 5 years. So okay, so there are 5 years, right? As we know, after 5 years only a person is elected. So when in these 5 years gap, they saw a lot of differences in Marcus Ibe and politics. So these were happening quick, and Marcus Ibe got a lot of wealth. So this politics brought for him a lot of wealth. Chief entity title given to chief, doctorate degrees and other honors, some of which, like the last, that is the doctorate degrees, had still to be explained satisfactory to them, for in their naivety, not experienced person, they still expected a doctor to be able to heal the sick. Anyhow, these honors and benefits had come so readily to the man, Marcus Ibe, to whom they had given their oaths free of charge 5 years ago, that they were now ready to try it in a different way. So, as the villagers are becoming little brilliant, a little thinking over-minded, that is, Marcus Ibe, now he has come into politics, and in these 5 years he got the chief entity titles, the doctorate titles. So the villagers thought, how a person without, he is not a doctor at all, then how can he get a doctorate certificate? They're thinking that politics can bring anything. What are the certificates which are not related to the person what he is. So he got a doctorate degrees, everything. Then he got lot of benefits from it. Marcus Ibe got so many benefits, and these villagers had given their oaths free of cost. So now we see, right, many voters, we are paid, right? Means the parties, different kinds of parties come and give us the money. Please vote for us, some around 5,000, 2,000. Please vote for our party. We will do that, this. So this had not come to the mind of the Umuofia village. First when they voted for Marcus Ibe, they did free of charge. Now they wanted to do in a different manner. So they knew that Marcus Ibe was a mission school teacher, that he was a Christian school, in a Christian school he was a teacher. So politics had come newly to their village, and Marcus Ibe joined it. He joined that, and everyone was saying, some said that then immediate dismissal to happen, something arising from a female, that is a female teacher was going to complain very worstly about Marcus's Ibe. Before she complained, Marcus Ibe left the school and joined the party. So he did not get any bad remarks on him. But today he has become Chief the Honorable, and Marcus Ibe has 2 long cars, and he had just built the biggest house anybody had seen in that village. In that village only, very large, big house he had built. Many successes, that doctorate degrees, wealth, lot of things had come. But Marcus Ibe, that intentionally was not there. He is not feeling satisfied with all of this. Okay, they have written, see. None of these successes had gone to Marcus's head. All as well they might. So he remained devoted. Whenever he wanted to come to this village, he left the capital and he came to this village. So there was neither a running water nor electricity in this village. Marcus Ibe, when he built the big house, right, that time only for his house supply he need electricity and water. That time only he built a private plant. See, lately installed a private plant to supply electricity to his new house. So he knew this source of his good fortune. So this is a proverb again. Unlike the little bird who ate and drank and went out to challenge his personal spirit. So Marcus Ibe is like, whatever wealth he is getting, he takes and he just leaves the village and goes, doesn't care about it. So Marcus Ibe, his new house he built, right, he named it as Umofia Mansion. So in honor, mansions means a very big house. So in honor to his village, he killed 5 bulls, countless goats, and to entertain the people. On the day it was opened by an archbishop, is a priest. This they want as 5 bull, that and all. For brief answer you can write. Okay, so everybody were very satisfied with whatever Marcus Ibe did. Now another proverb comes. Our son is a good man. He is not like the mortar which as soon as the foot comes, it turns its back on the ground. So they are saying Marcus Ibe is not a person like as soon as he gets wealth, he just moves away and leaves the village and doesn't care about it. Till now the intention of village people is that Marcus Ibe is a good person. Okay. After the feasting were done, villagers told themselves that they had underrated the power of ballot paper before and should not do so again. So now the villagers all together are deciding that before the ballot paper we did not value for it, we did not charge any cost for it. But now we shouldn't do the same mistake, we should do something. So Chief the Honorable Marcus Ibe was not unprepared. Here, don't get confused. Not unprepared means not un. So these both are negative words. Negative means positive. So he was already prepared. I told you, right, Roof already had warned. So according to the warning, Marcus was already prepared. So he withdrew his 5 months salary in advance and he changed this his salary, that is few £100 into shining shillings, and he had few campaign boys who worked for him. So he, in little jute bags, he puts a few shillings and he told you have to distribute to the village people this night. See, at night his stalwart supporters conducted a whispering campaign. Definitely they will ask you this question. This is important for 1 mark. What is whispering campaign? That is secretive distribution of money, or there is another meaning in your glossary thing to... No, they have not given a... Here they have given, see, I have written very important. Whispering campaign is clandestine distribution of money. Clandestine means secretive only. So there was a secretive distribution of money. The campaign boys were distributing. So Roof went to a place. There we have a minister from our village, one of our own sons. So here few elders, old people talk in the house of Ogbufi Ezinawa, man of high traditional title. So in that village he had a this elder man had a little name for him, high traditional title. So he came to this place. Roof and his another campaign boy. He comes here. So he tells, the old people will be talking. The PAP had had promised us they will give us pipe-borne water. So they will be telling us our son means Marcus Ibe want live us like this means in a difficult situation he wants it like this. Is a very good person. So besides Roof and his assistant, there are 5 elders in this room. This so much detail and all they won't ask. Just if you write old people is only more than enough. If you want to write very briefly and you have a lot of time in your exam, then you can write. I hope in exam hall, in a hurry we won't write. Just you can write elders. Okay, I'll say the lesson. So they were holding a old lantern. Hurricane is a lantern. So which was cracked and sooty glass chimney gave out a yellowish light. This and no need to write. Sooty means when we burn we get a black color on top, like something black like ash like things goes like that one. So the elders sat on the low stools. So in front of them he kept 2 shillings. Okay, 2 shilling pieces. So these people locked the door. And the moon was straight in the middle of the sky. The moon was situated. So we believe every word you say to be true. Ezinawa said, we shall everyone. Yeah, the old people told we will give our vote for this only. What is it? For Marcus only. And we now want take 2 shillings. Okay, that is very. Cost is very less. So this is a Ozo feast, means a very important feast in the Umofia village. So now we have climbed, we have come so far. After 5 years we are getting an opportunity in an easy way, I will say. After 5 years they are getting an opportunity to get money from this politics from Marcus, because they saw Marcus having 2 long cars, built a huge house. They knew he is having a lot of wealth. We have to take somehow the wealth because of the villagers' vote only he is in this place. So they say, see, we will surely definitely put vote for Marcus, and our wife paper also, they will also put vote for Marcus only. But this is so low cost. 2 shilling is not enough. And I will say 1 mark, very important question. How much did Roof give each of their elders? This 4 shillings. 4 shillings at last, finally 4 shillings. Now that is a question. Before I have written, sorry. Now don't get confused. At starting they have given 2 shillings only. So this is also a proverb. And this is also a proverb. Who would leave the Ozo feast to go to the poor Richard's mill? And we have climbed the Iroka tree today and would be foolish not to take down all the firewood we need. So I told, right, after 5 years only they are getting this opportunity and they can't leave this opportunity simply. So Roof has to agree, because he also knew what is a firewood. Firewood is benefit. Because yesterday only he had asked sorry. I'm extremely sorry. Yesterday only Roof had asked Marcus one of his rich robes. That is a grand dress. Okay. So Marcus is a very he's on very high post, right? So he had many rich robes. Robes means he's wearing, right, so big one dress, that only. So he had asked Marcus and Marcus gave him one. And last Sunday, Marcus' wife was who is the teacher, right? I told, right, a female teacher was going to complain about Marcus. That lady only, he married. Marcus married that teacher only, who was going to bring him to trouble. So when that lady is very rude in behavior. So Roof, when he pulled out the 5th bottle of beer, when he was taking the 5th bottle of beer from the refrigerator, Marcus' wife came and she started shouting, wow, how can you take this, that, how can that, this, something and all she was shouting. Okay, in simplifying words I'm saying, just to make you understand. So she says like that, Marcus come and shouts on her, how can you tell you like this? How can you tell him like this? So he gives that also beer bottle for him. Then he also won a land case. Roof won a land case recently. He had been Kofir driven. This is loudly means strongly. Rebugged means scold. Okay, scolded. Car driver in dispute site. So he became a car driver also. A very rich car he had, right? So he understood what the elders were expecting from him. So he told all right in English. This was the only word Roof told in English. This and all they want to ask you as question. Just in lesson they will ask. So Reverter turned to Ibo. He was Roof's assistant. So he gives one more shilling. Everyone just shook their head. No, we can't take this and all. This is also very low. Plugged means push. Okay. So like a priest, he was distributing and he was not giving in their hands. He kept on the floor. So they also did not, see, below dignity, they also did not touch. Okay. They just shook their head. Then at last, he gave one more shilling. That's all. Then he told us, if you want to cast the vote for Marcus, then vote. Or else no need, you cast your vote for the other party only. So everyone, as soon as possible, they took, at last, to console Roof's anger, to bring down Roof's anger. Every elder's unit, till the last person had finished consoling him, everyone took the shillings from the floor. And yeah, everyone took the shillings from the floor. And I told, right, the opposition party was Progressive Organization Party. So it was the enemy of Roof, and as you know, the parties will have animism in them. So they were tribes. These Progressive Organization Party were tribes, and they did not totally know what is politics correctly also. So as if they were only the founders of a party, their political, cultural, social, religious annihilation, destroy something to save themselves. The tribe should save themselves, right? So they did all these things, and this party, although it was clear the party had no chance. So this Progressive Organization Party had it didn't have, out of 100%, 5% also it didn't have a chance to win with the opposition party, that is PAP. So everybody knew they wouldn't win, but these foolish people, right, Roof is saying about the opposition party, these are the foolish people, and they are fighting straight away with PAP, and they are coming in cars, and they are putting loudspeakers and saying please vote, and they are the local rascals who are speaking, who are announcing to vote for the party. They made a lot of noise, which was a very disturbance for the opposition party BAP, and the Roof also heard out that they were giving out a lot of money, as if POP was so much rich. They gave the few villages they would distribute, right, please vote for us, for them and all, they were giving a lot of money. So the night up to the last night, that is, if tomorrow is the election, today the opposition party, they come to Roof's house. So the Roof's house they come, and it was like a business talk. They lay before him 5 pounds. Okay, in that the cocoa farmer harvesting the crops. They sit on the chair. Roof, right, he goes straight and close the door because the opposition party had come. So here Roof was seeing 5 pounds. It was a large amount for Roof. So he thought cocoa farmer, he sees that cocoa farmer is harvesting the crop, and it was a red note. He will be staring on that only. So the opposition party, they will ask, you have to vote for, put a paper for our party only. So he says, no, I can't cheat Marcus like this and all. So they say, Marcus won't be there when you are putting your paper on the box, your paper on the ballot ballot paper. So he says like that. Okay, Roof says it is 5 shillings. Sorry, 5 pounds. How can I live? This is like a bumper offer for Roof. So how can he live? One side he cannot cheat Marcus also. One side he can't leave this 5 pounds also. So he agrees it should not be heard outside. He says. He says we are not like that gossiping people. We are only for our oats to be got. So he agrees with it. So man, right, from their car he brings something closed in a cloth, red cloth, and he opens. He sees all feathers stuck on it in a clay pot. The Ayi is the god of the POP party. They are tribes, right? So Ayi is the god. Comes from Mabanta. Swear that you will vote for Maduka. So Roof also know how powerful Ayi is. So he also promises that he will vote for Maduka only. Then they also, as soon as they cover that and they go and they start their next things. They just go on doing their job. So Roof also will be thinking, how can they fight against Marcus like this? They can't win, but next time I'm sure because they are giving so many money, right? So many people for that money, for necessarily they will vote for this Maduka's party, that is POP party. Roof was thinking that. Now next day, election morning comes with a great day because it comes after 5 years. Every village people are very enthusiastic. They are very happy with the election. So everyone will be, those who people are able to read, they will shout that vote for POP, vote for PAP. So both will be shouting that the messages will be there and the posters would be there, no? That and all they'll tear everything, such things and all. The Chief the Honorable Marcus Ibe, he comes in a grand style. He comes, he would have hired a high life band from Umru. So that band from the election where the election is taking place, right? From that station to little far he keeps, so that to maintain a lawful, there will be some laws, they have to not make some disturbance. Like that he keeps at a distance and he is sitting in his green car. So the Marcus Ibe's car is green car. On one corner he will be sitting in his car, and every Roof and all will be saying to the villagers, you have to vote for this, you have to vote for PAP. The box which has a car same like Marcus is sitting, right? For that only you should vote, not for the other box which has a head on it. So the POP symbol is face, something dangerous face like thing, some box will be there. So one man will come and just the speech will go on. One man will come and say congrats to Marcus Ibe. So many villages, right, may be uneducated. So they come and say congrass. So they don't know what to say. So Roof will be telling what are the rules and where you have to go and vote. Motor car. I'm sorry. So he guides every woman, and he says you have to not vote for the head which is there on the box. That head is for those whose head is not correct. So this everyone, the PAP party, like a joke, they will be laughing. And he sees Marcus Ibe, he is also happy with what he is doing now. So everyone's people's would have finished. The band struts in a high. The band becomes very speed and new number. It increases. The beats will be changing. Okay, these are all just talk only. These are all, you know it, right? Just I'm saying. Okay, so many will be saying we will vote for Marcus Ibe, relentless, non-stopping and continuous. Stickler is particular for some behavior. Landslide get margin. So one small girl will come and say, we will also vote for Marcus Ibe, and if you are not able to go ride in a car like Marcus Ibe, don't worry. Our next generation, that is our children, will be going on the cars which Marcus is sitting now. So the speech and all will be happening. Now it was the campaign boys' time to vote. So Marcus Ibe says Roof to go first and vote. So Roof, he was just acting right because he had promised the opposition party that he will be voting for Madhuka. Roof will feel very what to say, he will be intense. What to do? How can I cheat Marcus even in a disguise, in a secret? Then he goes inside. There the election person will say, you have to do this. Yeah, you have. The policeman will check whether he has any paper, illegal paper. Then the electoral officer will explain what are the rules, in which box you have to put this box belongs to this person and everything, because it is a rule, right? So he says to everyone. So after saying like this, he just enters and he'll the ballot paper he removes from his pocket and will be thinking what to do. He had promised the IE, that is God, and he has taken the note which was very attracted to him because of the cocoa farmer harvesting or busy with work. This betre means cheat, sidled means entered. So he'll be thinking there, and the policeman will ask, what is the person inside who has gone is doing from such a long time? Is he giving a birth to baby or what? So Abina Pikin im di born is a pidgin English. This word they speak. So muffled means voice not clear. So he hears that the policeman is shouting at him, the person, because he's not coming out. So what to do? As quickly he gets an idea. Roof, he will take the ballot paper and he will tear into halves and put as promised to Madhuka, and he resembles that he has voted for Madhuka, and the other half he will put for Marcus Ibe because he had promised on the God, right? So as told, he puts on the box first to Madhuka, next to Marcus Ibe. So half he tears and puts. Then he comes relieved. Abba! He feels very relieved. Over election, I have put the half, that's all. Then they mark on the thumb, so that as we here also people do, right? They mark on the finger so that you don't come again and do a illegal thing. So they also mark for him inedible, removed or erased purple ink to prevent his return, and he went out of the booth and generally as he had gone in. So generally how he had gone inside. This is the summary of the lesson. So these are the one-line question answers which are often repeated in your exams, and as I told in my previous videos, only the major and main points I will be telling in the summary of the lessons. This may be little boring because a lot of things were there to be told. So this question is repeated many times. This is also repeated. All the major and main things which I told in the summary only I will give you as a question and answers I have written. You can just take a note or just read it or pause the video while going to your exam hall. If you once glance at this is more than enough. You'll just remember the gist of this story. And as I told, once if you know the story of the understand the lesson is more than enough to write your brief answer. If you didn't understand or understood the lesson, or you have any problem with my teaching, then comment in the comment box so that it will encourage me to do my further videos. I told, right, clandestine means secretive. If you write this also, don't worry, they will give marks. Yes. I hope all these one word answers will be very helpful for you people. I'm trying all my best from my side. And these are the paragraph answers, as I told. If you know once this story and feel, imagine think you are only the character and read it, it will be very helpful. You will understand more better the lesson or the poet or any subject it is. So these are the brief answers. I hope it is very helpful. I have written all the lessons like this and stapled so that it will be helpful for you people. So like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to get further new updates. Thank you.